Hi friends, let's talk about pendulums. So I've been working with a pendulum for many years, and I was actually retaught how to do it with my own healer because she was explaining that there are many ways that you can get inaccurate answers. So the first thing that I do is I clear my space, however you do that. I have my own practice, and then I establish what yes and no means. So for this pendulum and for myself, yes is a circle and no is back and forth. So I rest my elbow to make sure I'm not interfering with it, and I say, okay, can you show me yes? So what it does is it's following energetic pathways, for lack of a more scientific explanation. Everything is energy, so when you set out the information, it will respond in kind. And since we're all connected through our energy sources, it will give you the answer that already exists and is essentially kind of already known in your subconscious or highest collective. Anyways, so then you call forth a certain archangel or holy guardian angel. I called Michael forth, and if you don't do that, you never know who you'll be communicating with. So it's always smart to do that. And then you can even set like let's say you wanted an either or, like should I meditate or should I manifest today? So should I meditate or should I manifest today? Please show me. Okay, it's swinging this way. So I need to be meditating and not manifesting today. Thank you. Am I doing enough to help others in my life? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. Okay, reset. Am I doing enough to help myself in this life? No. So these are the kind of like highest self questions that you can be asking it. I try not to ask redundant or kind of like, it's not a party trick. Like, this is divination. This is a way to connect to your highest self and the guardian angels that so desperately want to help us. And don't mind my neck. I'm doing a lot of throat chakra work, and my body loves to just show the world. So anyways, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, or if you would like a pendulum reading.